Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start inside Safari, so open the app and display your bookmarks list. On iPhone, tap the book icon. On Mac, choose View Show Sidebar. Once the list appears, make sure Edit mode is available. Tap Edit on iPhone or click the Edit button within the Bookmarks sidebar on Mac. This reveals drag handles and folders. You need those controls to move entries. Do this now so you can rearrange the exact bookmarks you want without losing folder structure or links. Once Edit is active, press and hold a bookmark to pick it up. You will see a visual lift and sometimes a small icon indicating drag. On iPhone, slide it and drop into a folder or between items. On Mac, click and drag the item with your cursor into the desired folder in the sidebar. Make sure to pause briefly over a folder to open it. That ensures the item lands inside rather than above. If you need finer placement, use keyboard arrow keys on Mac after selecting the item. Finish by tapping Done on iPhone or simply clicking elsewhere on Mac. Safari saves the new order automatically. If a move doesn't stick, make sure iCloud bookmark syncing is enabled and up to date. Once done, quit and relaunch Safari to force a sync. If bookmarks disappear, check your iCloud or device backups and restore the bookmarks file or enable syncing again. Remember, syncing delays cause most issues, so wait a minute and verify on another device before redoing moves.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.